floosh tree song. What did you get? Open up your hee-hee lock-a set. Don't worry, parents, it's not a pet. We hope you love your hee-hee lock-a set.
Actual hee-hee lock-a set do not contain the following: kittens, doggos, or churches.
Hey guys, how are you? So fall is coming pretty much here. Luckily we've had nice weather and it's supposed to be warm for the rest of the week here in Oregon, but I know the rain is coming soon and we have Halloween and Thanksgiving coming soon, and the leaves are starting to turn colors and are losing their leaves. We thought it would be fun to do a hedgehog, and the fur is going to be leaves. I don't know if you can see in their stickers, and there's a whole bunch of different sizes and colors. Well, they're the fall colors, so orange, yellow, brown, green, red. And we're going to use this as the fur for our hedgehog. So each of you is going to be getting a template of a hedgehog. You guys can either cut it out and leave it. You can leave it on the paper that it is, or you can cut it out and paste it on whatever color construction paper you want. You each will have gotten an eyeball, a googly eye, and a little felt nose. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how you can do this, but I'm telling you, you can really just do whatever you want. If you run out of stickers, you can always take a marker and color in the rest of your hedgehog. So I'm just gonna keep doing this. I don't know about you guys, but I think hedgehogs are really cute animals. I hope you guys are having a great time at school. I know it's super different being online. So I'm wondering, what is your guys' favorite animal? My favorite animal would probably be like small like this. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of a chinchilla, but I got to hold a chinchilla. One of my friends used to have a chinchilla, and I thought they were the cutest things. Although her chinchillas sometimes like to bite, which, no. So, at my house, we have lots of animals. Well, some animals. We have 2 dogs, 2 cats, and then my daughter has a horse that's boarded at a barn close to our house. So, are you guys excited about Halloween? I know with the virus and stuff, some of you probably are not going to be trick-or-treating, and some of you might be. I got all the leaves on here done. Look how cool that is. Now I'm gonna take my glue stick and my eyeball. I'm gonna put some glue on that eyeball. So, here is our hedgehog. I think my hedgehog is absolutely adorable. And I think I'm going to name him Hedgie. What do you think? All right, guys. I hope that you guys enjoy lots of hot cider or hot chocolate. Get out and play in the leaves, splash in some puddles. Go have fun with pumpkins, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
The following resources are available in our community. If you need help with food, you can reach out to the food pantry at 503-879-FOOD. Other resources can be found on this list.
Hee Hee La Cassette productions are filmed in front of a live studio audience.